Hey all, Nevis here and welcome to my channel. If you're new, you are welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this definition crochet. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get on with this video. So I used 2.5 packs of definition braids. I do have a lot of hair, so I'd normally use 2.5 packs of definition braids. If you have, medium to how can I explain it? If you do not have a lot of hair, you can use 2 packs, which is more than enough. So here I'm just crocheting the normal way. I'm using very small pieces at the front. At the back I used like just medium to medium kind of size at the back. At the front I use a little bit more of like very tiny pieces to ensure like it looks natural and not so bulky. Yeah, so I'm going to add a card at the top, giving you reference to a similar video that I've done of this similar hair in detail, so for you to follow. This was just a mini video that I did just to show you the process that I did to achieve this hairstyle. So as you can see, I'm just doing the knots where I do not have a parting, but where I do have a parting, I do the invisible crochet method to ensure that it looks real and it doesn't show the knots that you see me do here. So basically that's it. And yeah, hope you enjoy this. No, not yet. After this I'm just going to curl the hair, and then I'm gonna curl it with the flexi rods and hot water, and then we will have achieved the style that I did for my birthday. And I hope you enjoy this. Yeah, simple, easy. Yeah, that's it. And I hope you enjoy watching the rest of the video. This is how it looks when I've installed it. It looks very natural. I really like it. So I'm just gonna curl it and we see how it's gonna look like. So yeah, if you need this hair, just write down in the comments below. I'm gonna give you a link. Just ask about it.
It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.